Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a galaxy star eye makeup look. First I am going to apply concealer on these eyes. This will create a nice base for our eye makeup. Once the concealer is applied, I am going to take a big fluffy brush and set the concealer with a white eyeshadow so that it stays in its place. Next I am going to use some dark purple and blue eyeshadows to create the galaxy effect. I am going to apply these shades starting from the outer corner of the eyelids and then blend them inward. Remember to use a light hand when applying the colors as you don't want to overwhelm the eye look. Take your time to blend the eyeshadows. Now it's time to add some stars to create the galaxy effect. I am going to take a small pointed brush and dip it into a white eyeliner. Then I am going to apply this eyeliner to random spots. Here I am creating some small stars and random lines so that it gives the effect of proper galaxy eye makeup. Finally, I am going to apply lashes. And there you have it, a galaxy star eye makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.